Law of attraction, manifestation, affirmations. I keep seeing these words everywhere. It's literally become a fad. How is law of attraction even connected to money mindset? Will law of attraction make me a better investor? Is law of attraction connected to financial freedom in any way? If you've been thinking about any of these questions, you are at the right place. Please continue watching this video till the end and you'll get some answers to all of these questions, and I'll tell you how can you get more answers. Hello and namaste, I'm Manish Ahuja. This is Paycheck to Profit, India's first YouTube channel dedicated towards your money mindset. If you've been one of our regular subscribers, you would have observed a small shift in these videos. Earlier I used to say India's first YouTube channel dedicated towards your financial freedom. Why am I talking about money mindset and not financial freedom? Because through my journey of these 2 years, I have realized that a lot of financial freedom is the whole process of financial freedom is very closely connected to your money mindset. If you are from the management background, you must have heard this term GIGO, garbage in, garbage out. I look at this entire money mindset, financial freedom game with the whole concept of the right mindset in, the right mindset out, or the right input in, the right input out. And according to me, money mindset, law of attraction, having the right attitude towards money is what helps you get towards your goal of financial freedom. So if you feel you're at the right place, or if you've discovered this channel through YouTube search, please consider subscribing, because I make 10 videos every month. So basically you see one new video every 3 days. I say if the date on your calendar is divisible by 3, you find a video by me. So welcome, let's get started to talk about the whole concept of law of attraction and money mindset. This entire month I'm going to be talking about this subject in various angles and aspects. So please consider subscribing if you're new. First of all, law of attraction has helped me strengthen my money mindset tremendously. And me being a money mindset coach, I can talk to you about hours and hours of content talking to you about how exactly law of attraction has helped me. But if you want to get a single line explanation, law of attraction has helped me strengthen my money mindset, get the right mindset, and get the right attitude towards money, if I may say so. So let me tell you something very straightforward. There's a difference between having the positive attitude, positive mindset, and just talking about positivity. I'll tell you one simple thing. If you're going through a bad patch in your life, if you've gone through a bad example, or if you've gone through a bad experience, when people come and tell you, they pat on your back and they tell you, look at the positive angle in this, I get absolutely mad when I even listen to that statement. How do you look at a positive angle if, let's say, my car has got smashed? It's a loss, it's an absolute loss. But having the positive attitude with regards to the fact, what can I take away from this overall incident? Let's say if my car was supposed to get bagged, the only way I would look at it as, okay, this car has served me for such a long time. Maybe it was a time to now change this car. I was anyway planning to change my car. So it's okay. This loss does not impact me. Or at the same time, let's say even if it's a brand new car, and if I'm so sorry if a brand new car that you've taken out of the showroom just gets banged, the only way I would look at it is, okay, this was supposed to happen to this car, or this was just an incident that was supposed to happen to my life. The car does not define me. The car does not define my money mindset. Of course, it's a pinch. Of course, it's a poke. But what can I do about it? If it's done, it's done. So this positive attitude, this positive mindset with regards to money is something that I have achieved, or I'm achieving, or if I'm mastering every day through law of attraction. Because if bad things happen, they happen. Bad incidents don't define me. Bad incidents don't define my life. It's just something that comes as a whole package of life. That's this attitude, and a lot of it has evolved and improved through law of attraction. And in these videos, in this month's videos, I'm going to keep talking more and more about it. So one more thing that I would like to talk to you about is a person who believes in law of attraction is definite to, get the right mindset and attitude about money, and that is definitely going to help them attract more money, attract more wealth, have the right mindset about wealth, and as a result of which they will eventually get financially free. But is law of attraction absolutely necessary to be financially free? I won't lie to you as a money mindset coach. I'll tell you no. I'll tell you one simple thing. Let's say if you don't have the right mindset about law of attraction, if you don't believe in law of attraction, but you are an excellent trader, you can attract a lot of wealth, you can get financially free, because money is just a number in your bank account. And if you need, let's say, 10 crore rupees to get financially free, and if you have 12 crore rupees in your bank account, technically you are financially free. But I'll tell you one simple thing. A lot of people who have amassed a lot of wealth, let's say if your financial freedom number is 10 crores and if you've had 100 crores in your bank account, if you look at mindset of those people, if you look at them belief about money, if you look at their attitude about money, even if they are not law of attraction believers, you will find that intuitively or naturally their behavior towards money and attitude towards money is very parallel to somebody who is an absolute believer of law of attraction. See, it's all about the mindset, it's all about the attitude. And how do you build that attitude? You can have multiple ways. Somebody could do that through coaching, somebody could do that through having a very strong mastermind, somebody could do that via law of attraction. Law of attraction is just one way to get there, and that's a way that I completely believe in, which I talk about even in my coaching programs, but it's not the only way. So I would say, believe me, if you have the right mindset and if you know how to use law of attraction correctly, it becomes a cheat code. But only if you have the right mindset. I'll keep saying that disclaimer over and over again, because just believing in law of attraction, writing down affirmations and visualizing your life in a massive house with the best car, frankly, that does not work, or at least I don't believe in that school of thought. In this month, I am going to talk about various aspects of law of attraction and money mindset. So if this video has added some value to you, if you've liked it, please do not forget to hit the like button and share it on other social media channels so that more and more people can get introduced to the whole concept of law of attraction and money. I'll now see you in the next video. Until then, please keep smiling, take care of your loved ones, and stay happy. Namaste. Kaching. Take care.